It honestly is pretty quick. Beautiful F30 posted, looking good. Now it's time to wake up the neighbors, huh? What do you say we wake up the neighbors? Gotta throw some ATF in it. My shocks never stay on either. Shocks are done. Pretty sure it's drained out a good bit. Hasn't drained out that much actually, as much as it usually does, but I'm still gonna top it off here. Just gonna throw our funnel down in the power steering reservoir and throw some of this ATF in there. Make sure our power steering's all right, because I don't want our steering to go out while we're taking a little nighttime cruise. That should be good. All right. All right, this is gonna wake some people up. Check neutral. Oh my gosh, I mean, it's so loud. Holy crap. The cold start is just insane. Let it get up to temp a bit and then we'll take it out. Make sure all our gears are working. All right, let's go into first. Not sure how well you guys can see. The lighting's not that great. Is that the police? Oh, everybody's leaving the game. Not realize that it was going to be police out right now, but there was just a baseball game over there at the stadium, so that probably explains why. Let's turn down here. Oh yeah. Love this car, man, love it. I've gotten a lot better with my downshifts, guys, if you guys can tell, my rev matches. I mean, you literally can't see nothing in this car when it's dark though. Woo! Yeah, I mean, maybe I need some ambient lights in here. I mean, you literally can't see anything. Except for the dash and the lights right here. I mean, you guys probably can't see much. I'm sorry about that, but I thought, why not take out the E for a night drive give the people some POV content. Speaking of the E though, guys, I mean, finally got my diff bushings in and our subframe bushing, so we'll get that swapped. I got the LSD already, pothole, so we'll get that swapped soon. Probably within the next couple of weeks I'll have that swapped, and then get my Sparko bucket, start doing some more stuff, trailing arm bushings, all that stuff, you know, get it ready to slide, you know what I mean? Because right now, I mean, this is basically all I do with the car is just cruise it, listen to it, enjoy it, you know, practice driving manual. You know, that's kind of all you can ask for with this car, you know? I'm gonna go into this hill a little bit slow, give the car some room in front of me because I like this hill right here and I really want to try to attack it. Gotta love it. Perfect downshift right there. That was nice. Chilling second. Hell, they could give these guys some room. Waking up the neighborhoods with the crackles. Y'all know how we do it. Just go back up in the third for this turn right here. You can have so much fun with these cars. Just driving, not even drifting. I'll make a U-turn. Get some open road. So much fun. It's so much fun. Driving manual is such like an experience because you have to really put in effort and you have to pay attention to what you're doing. You can't just be texting on your phone and all that shit when you're driving manual, you know?
I didn't really think it was that fast because they only had 190 horsepower, but it honestly is pretty quick. Like, it might take a little bit to get it up to speed, but once you get it up to speed, yeah, it's pretty quick, honestly, I must say. Let's get a nice pull here. Shit. I think I like threw it into the wrong gear there or something. I don't know what I just did there, but that did not feel right. So right now we're just cruising in fourth. I'm actually gonna hit this gas station up here because I need some views pods. It's so nice. It rides nice. It drives like it's brand new. Shit, you wouldn't even know. You wouldn't even know that it's a 99 with 148K miles on it. Pull up to this gas station. Check out the V from the outside. Can't beat that. E36, baby. You know we gotta rep the game. We got the BC coils on it, so why not? This thing's looking clean though. I'm gonna grab some flicks for the gram, actually. Static boys, vibed out. Gotta get these flicks. What y'all think though, gang? I mean, check us out. Interior is looking pretty clean. NRG, quick release. I'm rocking with it, man. Overall, we got the wind deflector in there, so that's fire. But yeah, guys, I got the rear diff bushing, subframe bushing. Gonna get the LSD swapped in soon. It's a whole vibe, man. I'm finna run in the store real quick.
They want that, and we, since I'm A-list, they never gonna do that.
Much needed, man. Much needed. Sheesh, this thing is fire. I cannot lie. Much needed views pods. I think my views is dead right now, honestly. I don't even know if it's charged. But yeah, guys, I'm just, as y'all know, man, just keep on trying to practice manual, get better at it every time I drive it, so that's a good thing. The car starts up every time I turn the key, so that's also a good thing. And it's leaking power steering, and that could be a bad thing, but if it's leaking, that means it has something in it, so at least it has power steering. That's good, right? I'm gonna slide back to the crib now. Honestly, we right up the road. Just want to take the E out tonight for a nice little quick night drive, hit some turns and curves in the hills, and you know, get some practice in.
Definitely just burnt my clutch on that one. Hey, my man got the E right next to me. No way. My man got the E36 next to me. Look at my man with the vert. Look at my man's with the vert though, repping the game. But I really should go ride with that man. I ain't even gonna do it though. Damn, that's fire though. I haven't seen an E36 vert on the road since I got this car. I've yet to seen another one. This guy pulls up next to me and is like looking at me. I'm like, why is he looking like that? And I look at his car and it's an E36 vert. The green one though. That's fire though. Damn. Ran into another E36 vert. Sick, bro, sick. Rarely, very rarely see another E36 vert, I must say. Alright guys, well, thanks for tapping in on this quick banger of a video. Damn, why that car on my ass like that? I'm pulling back up to the spot, so appreciate y'all for tapping in, man. As always, it's your boy Six, man. Tap in with me, subscribe to the channel. I got more content on the way. Trust me, it's gonna be a lot of content on the way. Very soon, we'll be ready to hit the track. I don't know how often, but here and there. Here and there for sure. Appreciate you guys for tapping in, man. It's your boy Six, man. I'm gonna catch you on the next banger, man. Let's get it.